A broken float causing your toilet to keep refilling non-stop is one of the most annoying plumbing headaches you can deal with. So, here's the deal. First, check if the float ball is cracked or waterlogged, because that usually means it can't rise properly and shut off the water. If it looks all messed up, just swap it out for a new one. You can find those at any hardware store for like $5 to $10. Next, look at the fill valve. Sometimes it just wears out or gets clogged with mineral buildup, so cleaning or replacing it can stop the constant refill. When you replace parts, make sure the water supply is turned off before you mess with anything, or you'll end up with a mini flood in your bathroom. Adjust the float arm so that the water stops about 1 inch below the top of the overflow tube. Too high, and it overflows too low, and the tank won't fill enough. Don't ignore a running toilet because it wastes a ton of water and can jack up your water bill. If you're not comfy doing this yourself, it's cool to call a plumber, but most of the time, this fix is super doable with just a little patience. Keep some towels handy just in case things get a bit splashy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a broken float causing constant refill is ignoring the problem and letting water waste pile up, which can lead to higher bills and even damage. Fix that by checking your toilet once a week for any weird sounds or constant running. Another common issue is buying cheap replacement parts that don't fit right or break quickly. Always go for parts that match your toilet model or are recommended by pros. Lastly, many forget to turn off the water supply before attempting repairs, which can cause flooding. Just make sure you twist that valve by the wall before starting any work. These fixes are straightforward but super important if you want to keep your bathroom running smooth without surprise drips. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle of endless searching. For contractors, it's a solid way to get connected with people who actually need their help, making it easier to grow their business and get reliable gigs.